What are you doing?
Well, I'm going to displace some dirt. That way I can just keep scooting the dirt as I go.
Oh.
So I'm going to take out all of this.
You want a shovel?
No, I'll be alright. Just don't need that much. I can also get a lot of
Worm.
little whimy. Why don't you put him with the strawberries? There we go.
We're out here on this lovely fall evening harvesting potatoes. They've been in the ground, the plants have been dead for over a month, and they've just been sitting here waiting for us to harvest them. And then I think we're going to try and set up a folding table in the guest cabin so that we can lay them all out, depending on how many we get in this potato garden bed. And they need to set because there's going to be too many in here for us to eat just in a few days. And so we're going to set them out so that they can, I think it's called curing. The skin on the outside of the potato needs a chance to
Turn into a rind.
Toughen up. Yeah, turn into an actual skin instead of just soft potato. So we will be setting those out and letting them cure for a couple weeks, and then we'll be able to store them in like a bin or something. I'm pretty sure we're taking off this is a pine needle mulch basically that we just put on there to keep the weeds down, which look, there's no weeds.
Yeah.
So that worked out really nicely. We're just gonna pull the mulch away to dig the potatoes out, and then we'll put that back on. Kraig, there's a couple things Kraig's gonna plant in here just so they make it through the winter.
Goji berry.
Yeah, a goji berry, our little artichoke, and a little pot of asparagus that need to be put in the ground so they don't freeze.
I might even put a couple apple trees in here so we can just get them next year.
Yeah, okay, that's a good idea. So that's what we're working on.
Make sure you're not pulling potatoes.
Yeah.
Bless you.
Alright, I just finished pulling away all the pine needles, and you can see there's potatoes.
2 of them.
At least we have this many potatoes. At least it worked that much. Oh, bud. Wyatt likes potatoes. You like potatoes. Yeah, you messy face. You messy face.
Alright.
Even the smallest ones count.
Like this one?
Mm-hmm. These are russets. They come out with a brown skin. And these ones are those German gold. They've got like a crackly skin on them, especially when they're dried out a little bit.
And we must have missed a few of the potatoes last year.
Yeah. But we're getting some nice sized potatoes.
Yeah. I think the littler ones usually taste better anyway, but nothing wrong with getting good sized potatoes, that's for sure.
Is that a piece of potato
Mm-hmm.
that we cut?
An eyelet cut that never grew.
Wow.
But it's still alive.
Yeah.
It's still got stuff growing.
Weird.
Eat it?
Do you want it to grow stuff?
No, but you bury it deep enough and pack the dirt down on it, I don't think it'll be anything more than organic matter, right?
Okay. Look at that.
Of course, I could be completely wrong on that because I have no idea for sure.
No, you can't eat worms. I mean,
Come on,
you
even
can.
just this one? Come on, eat that one.
You can eat worms, but... No.
Good size.
Yeah, dirt. Tastes like dirt. Look! Potato! Well, we gotta put it in the basket. Up here. There you go. Okay, now find some more. Look. A potato!
Avocado.
It doesn't taste very good yet. Gotta cook it and put butter and salt and pepper on it.
Garlic salt.
Garlic salt.
Or just plain garlic.
That dirt feel good though, buddy. Look, get it.
A potato.
Get that potato. Good job. Okay, now put it in here.
There's another potato.
Yay! Look at your face.
So yummy. No.
Everything is edible.
Everything's edible if you don't care what it tastes like.
Mmm. Yum. Look, Dad's got another one.
2. So much excitement. Doesn't even know where to begin. I'll chew on it.
Don't make fun.
Hey, wipe some of that dirt out of his mouth. He's got a lot.
In his mouth?
Yeah.
Come here. Yeah. Here, we'll put these ones in here now. See if we can find any more. Dig, dig, dig. Dig, dig, dig. Can you dig? You found a root. Good job.
That might be just about everything. I'm sure there might be a couple more right here, but... Oh, there's one. Nice big one.
Nice.
Look, buddy.
That's a heavy one, huh? Okay. Now you've tasted all of the potatoes.
Last one, maybe, or last couple. Look what you got. 2 big potatoes. That could feed you for a meal right there. That's a lot of dirt.
Look at your dirty face. Yeah, don't eat it. You gotta cook it first and clean it up. Yeah. Fine, I'll do it without using my hand.
Alright, that's all the potatoes.
Look at all your dirty face. Doesn't dirt feel good, buddy?
Who is that?
Hey. Wyatt likes dirt. He likes. You can't eat it.
Can't eat all the dirt.
Can't eat it, bud. Ow! No.
All right, bud, get out of there. Dad's got to throw more dirt in there.
Well, after harvesting a little bit before, we've eaten some potatoes already. That's a pretty good amount of potatoes, huh? That looks good to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's 3 different kinds. The dark ones in there are russet, and then the golden butter or golden German butter or something like that. And Kraig doesn't know what kind these are. But
Yummy.
they're good.
Good potatoes. They taste good.
Here, you want to turn this way and we can...
Nice.
Hi.
I hope you keep that in the video. That was good. Well, we had a great day today. We harvested out all our potatoes.
Can't hear you if you're not looking.
And then, okay, you say it then.
No, you say it, but you just...
Go ahead.
Baby, I just can't hear you if you're not looking at it.
I want you to do it.
I've already done most of the talking on this video. We harvested about... How many?
You gotta look at the camera, babe. That's not
I'm
gonna work.
asking you, how many do you think we
You're
have?
looking away from the camera.
I'm going to reiterate what you tell me.
Oh. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, so we harvested a good amount of the potatoes right there. So good. And I got to tell you, it was a pretty dang good day. Wyatt ate his fair share of dirt.
Sure did.
And what do you call them?
Worms?
No, the icebox cookies.
Yeah.
Which even the kid who eats anything doesn't really like them that much.
He does too. He ate like
I'm just
3 of
kidding.
them.
I'm trying to make a joke just because I don't care for them. I'm not a big fan of molasses. But pretty dang good day, I'd say. But I think it'll be even better tomorrow.
I think so.
Do you?
Yes.
Mwah.
Mwah.